Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 1st to the 15th. Before I get into long range, I'm going to talk about the short range for now, about the impending storm for the East Coast. You can see the system here. Get in the plains, snow back here, starting to gather strength. And this is a pretty strong low for the center of the nation. It'll cause heavy rain here across this region, across the southern plains. It's a 997 low. This is a GFS. Then Saturday night, it moves into the plains, starts spreading precipitation into the Ohio Valley. You can see there's snow, some mixed precipitation. It is, I'm trying to read that, is it 998? And that's Saturday night. Then we go to Sunday morning. It starts spreading snow into southern PA. Now, what's happening here? We have this ridge. You can see right here over eastern Canada. Right here. And this is keeping the cold air locked in place across much of this area. So this is spread moisture here. So as the moisture runs in to the frigid air, this will cause icy mix. It will develop through much of the mid-Atlantic. Freezing rain will make for a slick and hazardous travel conditions for parts of the southern and central Virginia and western North Carolina by Sunday morning. This is right now. You can see this is the ice right here. Then we go into Sunday evening. According to the GFS, it should be snowing across Pennsylvania, most of New Jersey, and we still have an icy mix down across this area here, heavy rain to the south, and this is the GFS. And then we go to Monday morning. Now the storm really starts getting going. We have a secondary developing off the Carolina coast, spreading snow back here into the Mid-Atlantic region. And we'll take a look at the snowfall amounts. Then it's there. Now, this is supposed to be a slow mover due to this block. So we go to Monday morning. Then we go Monday night. It's still here, spreading snow. It's now developed to a 996 millibar low here off the Virginia coast, sending snow back to this region. Now, it looks like it'll be mostly snow like along the coast, lesser amounts further inland. That's a change. Usually it's the other way around. Then we go to Tuesday morning. It's still here, 997 low, still spreading snow here. That's the GFS. Now we'll look at the European. This is Sunday night. Then we go to Sunday morning. The precipitation hasn't it's just starting to come into southeast Pennsylvania. Compared to the GFS, it's a little bit further to the east. This is the GFS. Then we go to Sunday night. It's a 1007 millibar. Then we go to Monday morning, and it's off the coast. Here's a secondary low, still spreading snow into the region. And this more looks like the Tuesday morning on the European deterministics, but look where the freezing line is, or the 540, right here across southern New Jersey and along the coast. Then we're going to look at the Europe. We're going to look at this one. This is a Canadian. This is Sunday morning, slower compared to the European ensembles. But the low's generally in the same spot, but slower spreading the precipitation eastward. And then we go to 7 p.m. Heavy precipitation that hasn't even reached northern New Jersey, where this storm system has, as the GFS does. And then we'll go to Monday morning. Now it's just starting to come in. This is early Sunday morning, and the low is 997. I can't quite read that, but it's an intense low developing. It depends on this path of where the system goes, but it does show a lot of precipitation there. Then we'll look at the nav gem. Here's the precipitation. This is Sunday morning. This is on Sunday night. Then we go into early Monday morning. It's snowing here, and the low is only down to 1001. But heavy precipitation off the shore, off the coast. But some precipitation is mostly confined to northern New Jersey, to the coast. And then we go to Monday night as it starts to deepen 997. And then early Tuesday morning, it starts drifting away with the other system. Now, this is the NAM. This is, I'm probably going to run out of time. This is like, we'll say Sunday night. And then this is early Monday morning. And then we go to Monday evening. And it's a little bit deeper with the system. Okay, snow was spread into the I-95 corridor from Central Virginia to the Baltimore metro areas. The system is likely to produce additional wintry weather over the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic into early next week. But there's still, like I said before, uncertainty regarding the storm's track and its duration because it's supposed to slow down, be a slow mover. Now we'll look at the snowfall amounts at the models. I'm going to probably run out of time. I have to try to do this. Okay. Okay, this is Sunday night. The heaviest precipitation, I can see 7, maybe to 8 inches across Virginia. And then we go into Sunday night, light accumulations further north. And then we start getting to some accumulations early Monday morning. And then the GFS doesn't really show much going on here. Now we'll look at the European. I don't know if it's with these models showing much of snow accumulations here. They're not really picking up on it. And then we look at the Canadian. Maybe this model is out. Okay. Now we're going to get to the forecast for February 1st to the 5th. We still have a ridge here near the Aleutians, trough over western North America. And we have our ridge here over eastern Canada, south of Greenland, and our ridge or our trough here over the Western Atlantic and to the east. Miles are pretty good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for parts of the west. Expect anomalies to be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And then we have above normal temperatures for much of the remainder of the country from the plains to the Atlantic coast with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation from the plains to the Atlantic coast with anomalies of 35 to 45%. Now we're going to look at the period for February 11th to the 15th. We still have our ridge remains here and near Greenland. And we have a trough here in the west, but the models are showing differences with the location of this ridge and the trough configuration. Now we'll look at the, here's the GFS. Has a ridge here across the southeast. Trough, a little more zonal flow, but below normal heights to the north. Then we'll look at the European ensembles. Here's our ridge, above normal heights, a broad area above normal heights, clear-cut pattern here, ridge, trough configuration. And then we look at the NAEFS, trough more to the west, ridge here over the southeast. And we still have the models, still have a ridge here and a ridge near Greenland. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting as a compromise below normal temperatures for the west into Ohio, Tennessee valleys. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be near 4 degrees. below normal, and for precipitation, below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence 35%, and above normal precipitation forecast. So I ran out of time. What I was getting at, below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 35%, and above normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 1st through the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.